Hey y'all, today I'll be using Freesia's braiding hair for this tutorial. I know I'm looking a little rough right here because I had this bonnet on my head after I done these triangle parts. It took me forever and a day to do these. And y'all, these braids are about to be so cute. And let's just get started on this video. Flip my braid around so I can braid normal, how it would be as if I'm braiding someone else's hair, because since I'm on my own head, my hands work differently. I don't know how to explain it, but you can kind of see it in the video. I'm trying to tuck my hair the best way as I can because I can't really see, and if it's fuzzing up and the braid looking a little fuzzy, don't do me, because I'm really trying. You know, you got to do your hands all types of ways just to get to the back of your head, and it's already difficult for me. it can go and stretch it out a little bit. And as y'all can already tell, I'm feeling myself, for real. Because anything that's past my butt or to my butt, when it comes to hair, I act up. And that's just that on that. Getting as close as I can right here, and I'm just trying to show you how I'm tucking the hair and like braiding it up tight. You don't want to braid the braid loose, and if you can see the rubber band and stuff like that. I'm trying to braid it to where I cannot see the rubber band, and the braid covers it. So that's what you want to do when you're doing rubber band braids, and just try to braid neat. Don't move your fingers sloppy and all of that. Try to keep your fingers at one steady pace. So as I'm on my last two braids, I want to start putting my water on, and I got this kettle from Walmart, and it's like $15. I don't know how much but that's how much it was when I bought it, but I don't know how much it is now. But y'all, they're very convenient. They heat up within 5 to 7 minutes depending on which one you have, and they have different colors as well. So y'all need to copy out one of these, because that boiling water on the stove is just too much. I mean, you know, I come from that, but you know, we trying to upgrade around here. That's what we trying to do. done braiding. This is before the dipping and everything. So bear with me because these are a little stiff right now. Got a little stiff braid. So when I dip these, pay attention, please, guys. This part that you're seeing right now, please do not try this by yourself. I think it's best if you try to let someone hold the towel for you and do this part, but I just started doing this on my own, and I think it's best to not, how some braid you can dip the bottom of the braid, but like when it comes to like the top, it still be a little stiff. So I try to pour the water on the top a little bit, like on above the braid, because all of the hair couldn't fit in the kettle. So this is the way I'm doing it, and I think it's very good. This is my favorite part, you guys, the mousse. You can get mousse from anywhere, really anywhere, like CVS, Walmart, anywhere. And you can get different kinds of foam. It doesn't matter. And they all work the same. If you got my big head, you're going to need a lot of it. So just watch me, y'all. I really love the outcome of how this came out. And I like the length. I think it's because it's hot right now, so I really feel like this is the best length I should have did. I know I've been MIA for a while, y'all, but I'm back and I got so much more stuff that's going to be posted. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and don't forget to hit that bell for more.